I'm Whitman Rose.
And I'm Heaven Midrew, and we're part of the Back to School crew.
We're here to tell you about our outstanding Cabot Middle Schools.
The principals at Cabot Middle School North are Casey Hill, Jenny Blackwell, and Kevin Floyd.
The principals at Cabot Middle School South are Matt Sheets, Mandy Green, and Jamie Tokars.
Middle school is amazing. It's 2 years of learning, fun, friends, and awesome activities.
Open house is Thursday, August 18th. Your teacher postcard will have a link to sign up for a time to meet your advisory teacher and visit your classroom.
Here's a look at this year's meal prices. Great news. Breakfast is once again free. Lunch prices are on your screen.
As for school supplies, there is a one-time $25 fee that includes supplies and a class t-shirt. The supply fee can be paid during our open house or online at our district website.
Students are asked to bring a backpack, pencils, paper, and a clear drinking bottle. You may also want to get a protective carrying case for your Chromebook.
And one more thing, if you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, go to the student registration section of our district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
Remember, the first day of school is Monday, August 22nd.
It's hard to believe a new school year is about to begin. We are so excited and we hope you are too.